Here we are going to show you how to assemble a friendly fire master seat easily, safely, and quickly. In the box, you will find the backrest, pillow seat, instructions, screws, covers, armrests, piston tilt mechanism, piston covers, wheelbase, and casters. You will find all screws and tools necessary for this task in the pack. Push the casters firmly into the wheelbase and then flip the wheelbase. Now, place the hydraulic piston. Make sure it faces the right direction. Put the piston sleeve on, and just like that, we're done with the wheelbase. Now we will assemble the tilt mechanism. Place the seat on the floor like this, making sure you have the tilt mechanism facing the right direction. Install the tilt mechanism using the 4 longer M8 screws. Slowly tighten all screws in parallel, but be sure not to tighten them too much as this may cause the chair to squeak later on. Now install the armrest with the 6 shorter M8 screws. Each armrest has 3 screws. Be sure to not confuse sides. Next, let's assemble the backrest. Align the backrest with the recline mechanism. Insert M8 screws with your hand to make sure they fit on both sides, but don't tighten them yet. Use an Allen key to tighten the screws halfway. Now, tighten the other side to the end and return to the first side to finish the job and tighten all screws firmly. Now take the wheelbase that we assembled earlier and put the piston inside of the tilt mechanism socket. Hold the wheelbase and carefully lift the chair upwards. Install covers using the small screw and an Allen key. Place the memory foam pillows for extra comfort and lumbar support, and you're done! Sit on the master seat and adjust the height using the right lever. Adjust backseat angle with recline lever and release lever to lock the position. To reset the position, just pull the lever and the backseat will return to default settings. Adjust the chair tilt angle with the left lever. To unlock the free tilt, pull the lever upwards. To lock the tilt angle where you like it, just pull the lever back down. You can adjust the armrest height, depth, width, and angle to get in the perfect position. May the master seat serve you for years to come!